High School. Tūturu, kei te aratua ono
Ko tērei he ruarau te kaumā toru tēnei ngā tāne te kaumā iwa tau meraro iho te pakeke taki ono 500 mita. Ko te whiringa toa mō te wahanga Te Kei. Kei te aratua tahi te whare kura o Maua o te kura kaupapa Māori o te waiu o Ngāti Porou kei te aratua rua Whakatāne High School, Rotorua Boys High School kei te aratua whā me te aratua rima, Ruapehu College, te kura kaupapa Māori o Ngāti Kahungunu me te whare kura o Maua kei te aratua waru. Ko te haki wherotera kua rewa me te haki pango. Ka kite hoki e pukumahi ana ngā tīma te nuku ki o rātou ara.
There we have it, green flag is up. Nice clean start this time. We didn't have a black flag pop up, so we're off to a blistering start already.
Beautiful, strong start in lane 1. Te whare kura o Maua.
Nice strong start, good rate, opening it up. So as we come up to the halfway before heading into this turn, we might see a nice longer stroke, gathering some breath, opening up those lungs before we head into this turn.
Rotorua Boys High School atu I te aratua whai ārahi pai anai tēnei wā.
They've already opened up a nice lead, almost a boat length from this angle it seems to be. It's a good advantage going into the turn. Hopefully they can hold off that lead as they come into this turn. Lane 4 heading into that turn, angling into that turning buoy. Here we go. Seat 1 and seat 2 have posted out on the left-hand side, pulling their nose around into the wind. This is a tough wind for these turns, as I said. Bit of pressure on that nose.
Lane 4. Te āhua nei whakangungu tahi ki o rātou pakeke. We just saw Rotorua Boys High School win the Under-19 Te Kei Final. Te āhua nei whakangungu tahi rātou.
Rotorua Boys headed into that turn with about a boat length of a gap, and they have opened it up even more after that turn. Strong straights and just as good turns makes for a winning team here. And as you can see, beautiful lead, beautiful lead.
Takoto noa te mahi atu I te aratua wha, Rotorua Boys High School.
Nice and long stroke, real efficient. Pressure at the front of the blade, pulling right through and opened up a massive lead. Clear win for them.
Tuarua mai ko te aratua toru, Whakatāne High School.
It's a clear second place too. Now it's going to come down to that final placing for third place there. It looks a little bit tight.
Beautiful lane 4, Rotorua Boys High School. Wā tātou whakaihuaka mō tēnei tau.
And inside them, coming through for second place. And then it looks like we've got a tighter finish for third. Great racing out there. Oh, just need a little bit more kaha there in lane 2 and they could have pipped them.
I think Aratua Rima, that is another Rotorua Boys High School team.
Cleaning up down here this week.
Rotorua Boys High School, wāhanga te ingoa o tō rātou kapa. Fabian, te hurihanga nui tā rātou kaiako.